Yo amigos, what's going on, and welcome to another video. This time from the beautiful Palawan. We're right now in Nido to be exactly, and this area is just filled of beautiful beaches, wonderful islands, so it's time to explore. We just rented a motorbike, this wonderful bike right here, and yeah, safety first, of course. And this one is super uncomfortable. I don't know why they even give it to me. And yeah, check this beautiful ride. We don't even have a number plate. They said it's not really necessary here. Yeah. This is our ride for the next days, right? We are at the beach just in front of our Airbnb, and we are basically in the middle of the ocean and we can stay, and that's super cool. We took a few awesome pictures. We have a really nice sunset today, and yeah, it was super fun here in Palawan. Tomorrow we're gonna do a boat tour, and after that we go to the next island, Coron. We are at our last stop in Coron, and today we're doing a private boat trip here around the island. We just arrived on our boat, which was actually the last one of all those. So we had to climb over them, and yeah, let's see what we explore today. ended our boat trip here at the Central Market. Right behind there is the boat pier. And yeah, it was quite nice. We visited Barracuda Lake, which was definitely my favorite place. And then we went to Twin Lagoon. Oh no, we went to a beach first, a really small one, right next to Barracuda Lake. But yeah, the nice part about it, we were the only people there, so we could take a bunch of photos, which was awesome. And then we went to the Twin Lagoon, and sorry for the noise, guys. And the Twin Lagoon was a little bit disappointing because the water was not really clear. It was like milky, and yeah, it was also very crowded. And at last stop we went to a beach where we also were the first persons, and after we took a few photos there came a lot of people. So yeah, I think we did everything right. And now we're heading back to our hotel, and yeah, let's see what else we can do here in Coron. It's already the last day here in the Philippines. Tomorrow we are leaving back to Manila and then back to Germany. But today we actually took a really nice sunrise hike up to the mountain. It's super high. It took like, I think, 720 stairs. And yeah, it was a really sporty activity in the morning. But it was really nice there. I took a few drone shots up there, and Tony and me took also a few pictures. And now I take one more freediving class. We're going to Barracuda Lake, which we have seen already yesterday on our boat trip. And this place is super nice, has super clear, crystal clear water. So I'm really excited. And yeah, I hope I can bring the GoPro in as well, so I can show you guys a few shots of that as well. I just finished the freedive session and it was amazing. I'm actually super tired right now, but yeah, the experience was super cool. Yeah, I improved myself quite a lot. It was my second class in freediving, and the first time I went down to 7 meters. This time I went down to 15 meters. So yeah, it was a quite big improvement, I think. I just have to work on my equalization and how to relax underwater to feel more comfortable. But yeah, it was super nice.